Chapter 1. What is an asset? Most people think everything they own is an asset, but that's not true. A car, a TV, or a designer bag? They look valuable, but do they really grow your wealth? An asset is something that adds value to you over time. It could grow in money, income, or equity, and it contributes to your net worth. Many think my car is an asset, but here's the truth. Most vehicles lose value over time. True assets grow your net worth. They don't just give temporary pleasure. Meet Amit and Reena. Amit buys gadgets worth 10 lakh, but owes 12 lakh. Reena invests 15 lakh and owes nothing. Who's richer? Reena, because her assets actually grow her net worth. How to identify true assets? 3 quick rules to identify real assets. Number 1. Grows in value or generates income. Can be liquidated if needed. 3. Add to your net worth, not just fill space. Remember, not everything you owe is an asset. True assets grow your wealth and add to net worth. Identify, track, and prioritize them wisely. Folo can help you see the full picture. You can track assets manually or let Folo do it for you in seconds. Folo automatically identifies and tracks your real assets, showing their contribution to your net worth. Next, we'll start with the simplest, most liquid asset, cash and bank balance.